Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a payment link using your Wise business account. This is a super easy way to get paid by clients or customers from anywhere in the world, fast, secure, and with low fees. Let's get started. First, log into your Wise business account. Creating a payment link is completely free, but it's only available once your account details are enabled. Once you're logged in, there are two simple ways to create a payment link. The first and easiest way is right from your home page. Just go to your home screen, select the currency you want to receive payments in, and click Receive. That's it. You'll be able to start creating your link right away. The second way is from the Payments tab. On the left-hand side of your dashboard, click on Payments and then select Payment Links. From here, you can not only create new links, but also view any existing ones, both active and inactive. Once you're ready to set up your link, you'll need to fill out a few details. Choose the currency you want to receive, enter your customer's name, and select the payment method you'd like to offer. Wise currently provides two main options. The first option is bank transfer. This method is completely free and usually takes 1 to 3 business days for the money to arrive. The second option is Pay with Wise. This one allows you to receive free and instant payments from anyone who also uses Wise. You can even share an invite link with new customers, earn rewards, and make it easier for them to pay you next time when everything looks good. Click Create Payment Link. Wise will automatically generate a link for you that you can copy and share directly with your customer. If you ever want to check the status of your payment requests, go back to the Payments tab and click on Payment Links. You'll be able to see all your links there, active, inactive, and even expired ones. Single-use links expire if your customer doesn't pay within 30 days, or 30 days after your deadline if you've set one. Reusable links, on the other hand, never expire and are great for recurring payments from the same client. And that's it. You've just created your own Wise business payment link. It's one of the easiest ways to get paid fast, securely, and in the currency that works best for you. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.